Hey Marshie, look how big Marshie has gotten over like 9 months. I don't think you've only had him for 9 months. Marshie, look at the camera. Look how big this man has gotten. Right, Marshie? Want a treat? I'll get you one, okay? I'll do one on my dog for you, okay? Marshie, I'm gonna get you one. Hey, I got it. Okay, I got it right here. What is it? It's bacon, by the way. Gonna make another video on how Ruby's kind of grown, kind of not. But Marshie, say bye.